In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Smartsheet. While Smartsheet doesn't merge cells the same way spreadsheet tools like Excel or Google Sheets do, I'll show you a simple, reliable workaround that gives you the same visual result by combining values with a formula. Start on the home page of Smartsheet. From there, choose Start a new project, program, or process. You'll see options to browse templates. If you want a framework tailored to your work, you can explore templates under Company Management. For this walkthrough, we'll keep it clean and start from scratch so you can clearly see each step. Next, choose a new workspace starting point. A workspace is just a place to organize your sheets and related assets, so pick where you want this to live. Then select Table. That creates a basic grid where we can enter data and build the combined result. Here's the key idea before we continue. Smartsheet currently doesn't support true cell merging. Instead, we'll merge content by concatenating, combining values into a single cell using a formula. The effect is the same for reporting or labels, and it stays dynamic as your data changes. Click into a row and type the pieces of information you want to bring together, maybe a project code in one column and a task name in another. Now pick the cell where you want the combined result to appear. Type an equal sign to begin a formula, then click the first cell you want to include. Add a plus sign and click the second cell. This plus sign tells Smartsheet to join those values. When you're ready, click Apply or press Enter to confirm. If you want a space or punctuation between values, include it as text in quotes. For example, you can type plus, then a space in quotes, then another plus to keep everything readable. You can repeat the pattern to add more fields. Just continue with plus signs and any separators you need. The result will instantly display the combined text, and it will update automatically if any source cell changes. This approach is great for creating clean labels, full names, or descriptive titles without changing your sheet structure. If your combined text is long, consider adjusting column width or enabling wrap text so everything stays legible. And if you're building a column of combined values, you can reuse the same formula in other rows to keep things consistent across your sheet. That's it. Even though Smartsheet doesn't merge cells natively, using a simple formula gives you the same outcome with more flexibility. Follow these steps and you'll have polished combined values ready for your projects.